Hey guys, it's Cubit, and today I actually want to be showing you guys how to do something. So this is a map called Slime Blocks with an X and an S, made by Master MCPE. And as you guys already know, this is going to be like probably about, well, that one fold there. Slime blocks and using slime blocks. So there's a pressure. Oh, slime blocks by Master MCPE. So someone has made this. This sign says, "Yes, please. I'm big and noob. No, thank you. No thanks. Me big MLG pro." I think I'll go with the no thanks. Me MLG pro. Did it just work? Okay, we'll see. Okay, tutorial. Choose one of the buttons. Well, apparently I just did. Yeah, who cares? Okay. Level 1, a twist. Oh, there's a slime block. Yup. Frick. And you guys might wanna maybe add like make this go faster because I suck at the frick. Okay, I suck at parkour and these slime blocks. Oh, no! Now I've gone to level 7 once, but don't think I have the same. Dang it. Okay. Yes. Okay, up to level 2. Level 2. Tight squeeze. Oh no. So I could tell that we have to jump on that, onto that, and there's a slime block just there, and up. Okay. Let's see if I can get it first try. Oh, that was so close. Now, sorry guys, but I have no idea why, but for some reason, when I downloaded Minecraft, it had a glitch. Oh, it had a glitch. Now, I'm not sure what it was, but when I played it, nothing had bodies, like sticky pistons, no chests. So in my next video, you will see that at the start of the video, when I go in it, the chest doesn't have a body, and I myself, the character, don't have a body. It is so bad. And when I tried download it again, it did work, but it went back to being like having a glitch. So sorry if you can't like see the body of pistons and things if I build something. And I might just skip this level. Yeah, probably I'll do that. What she? Okay, I didn't do that level because it was kind of hurting. Leap of faith. Wow. Okay. Oh, that was so close. Okay, I kind of bounced up here, right? You have to bounce like here, so it's gonna take a sprint. Sorry if when I go in here, this thing keeps coming in the middle of the page. Yeah. Yes. No. I think I might make it actually this time. Oh, yes. Now there's some stuff. Now because this is like in some place that it's gonna be night. I have this night vision forever, so that helps me see. Level 4, the long road. Yep. Oh. Okay. I will do this level, but I know a way to cheat, you know? Like, yeah. If I get stuck on a level, look, I know this might be bad, but you can just fall, walk right up to there, and just do the last level. So stupid. But, what? No, this is, no wait, no, crouch. Yes, no! Okay, I'm just doing these as my thought. See? Cheating. That's what I call cheating. Whoa. Now remember this level. This is actually kind of hard. Because where's it? So you basically have to jump on that slime box. So you bounce really high and go in that hole. Dang it. I'm try just... Yep. Yes. I think this level is a hole in the wall. Yep. Oh my gosh. I better go back. I think I'm... Wait, no. I think I'm in creative mode. I'm just... Quartz block of quartz. Who cares? Okay, that right there. And... Sorry, but I better change back to adventure mode. Game mode A. Okay, I'm in adventure mode. I'm gonna put these things away. And they didn't go away. So I'm gonna use it as a command. /clear. Okay. Level 5. Hole in the wall. Oh, damn, I got this one. Damn, I don't got this one. I'm gonna try just straight jumping. Oh yeah, now I know what to do. You have to go slowly so that you go straight into it, not going like bouncing up to there and then trying falling. So just like this. Booyakasha, got it. Now I don't know what. Oh wait, this one doesn't have a button, because if he or she puts a button there, then you would see the command block at this side. Now, this is what makes it hard. You can't jump. Wait, what? My favorite level till now is probably the long road, because you could have just cheated the whole thing. Okay, next one is level 6. Slimy. Wait, let me see that again. I think it's meant to be slimy. Slimy parkour. I'm pretty sure it's meant to be slimy parkour. Oh, got it. Better not fall off, but make this jump. Got it. I got it. I'm really not good in parkour, but... No! Why didn't I at all jump? Okay, if this takes more than 5 turns, I might just... Oh, that one didn't count as a turn. I might just go to creative mode. Go to the next level. Okay, now we'll do it the other way. Game mode creative. Put this block away. Still not cheating. Nope. I didn't just do that. Okay. Now game mode A. Oh, dang it. I wonder what this level's name is. Side to side. Oh, yeah. That could fit it because, like, except for the middle one. Side to side to side to victory. Oh, my God. Did you guys just see that? I swear I just saw the command blocks. Look, wait, I'm gonna jump backwards so you guys see it. Oh, you're not seeing it. But that time I just saw all the command blocks and things. Oh! I made it first try. Well, third try, but the first try I saw the command box, so I stopped. But okay, and then the second one I was trying to show you guys. But okay, wait, what was it? A sticky situation. Okay, this is getting hard. No! Oh, frick. Now, in my next video, I've done auto death run, but I'm not sure because right now I don't know. I might have not done auto death run 1 and just I hate it. Wait, is that the block? Yeah, I hate that jump from there to there. So hard. I might do auto death run 2 because like the auto death run 1 for some reason isn't working, but I'll still try to make it, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be possible. I have no idea if this level is possible. Okay, I didn't know you can't jump while you're jumping on a slime block. So that's kind of weird. That was totally my fault. Okay, now we have got to make this. Oh, smash that like button if you think I'm gonna make it all the way. Okay, so how are we meant? Do we just jump from there to there, or do we go from there to there to there to there to there? Okay, we'll see. But smash that like button if you think I can do this whole course on this try. Nope. Shouldn't have smashed it. But still, if you guys want me to make more parkour videos and do them for you guys, make sure you go and smash that like button and break it in half. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified when I send out a new video. Now, I don't have many videos right now, but I decided to make a video. I mean 2 videos per week. So, yes, no, dang it, frick. I kind of hate this game, but I also kind of like it. Don't know how this happens. Game mode C, off we go. Let me see if it's even possible in creative mode. Just going from like. I'm just leaving this. What the what? Oh, that's small. Okay, next level. Level 9. Slimy falls, better say. I think it's meant to be slime. Oh, nope. Wrong one. Okay. Game mode. Hey. Wait, what? Game mode. There we go. That works. Okay, now what are we meant to do? Oh, wait, there's a slime block. Wait, what? We can just... I was going the wrong way. Seriously. Okay. Now, this is the real level. Because I just made it way easy. But we can't jump that, so we have to do the whole level. But anyway, I think... Yes! I think, what was his name? No, don't have to go back to the level 1 to check out what his name was. Okay, if I say all together now, if I say your name wrong, the creator of this map, I'm sorry, but I think it was the Master something, MCPE. Make sure you go to his YouTube channel if he has one, and make sure you like and I totally didn't see that one. Like and subscribe and hit the notification button if you want to see more of his maps. Oh, that's not smart, because I can just... That was really not smart, because this is like, I don't remember what level it was, but like the tight squeeze, I just made that one. So I'm not going to use that slime block. Sorry, slime block. Okay, so got it. I got it. Boom, yeah. We're still in the same level. But I suck at these maps. Yes. Dang it. This is like a leap of faith. We have to jump in the middle. Now, sorry guys, but the levels that I was stuck on, I sped it up. So you guys don't have to see me talking the whole time. Okay. I just really hate what I was just about to do, because sometimes you fall back. Yeah, baby. Oh. We're meant to go like that, and go up there. This is gonna be a hard game. A really hard game. Ah, that was so close. Now guys, if you hear a background noise, I'm sorry, but that's just because I'm in the car right now. So it might be like sounds of motorbikes and cars just going past my car, so it might just make it a little bit noisy. Boom, yeah. Okay. We're still in the same level? Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Just made that first try. Wow. Please say it's new. Okay. Don't want to do the bonus level. No, I do want to do the bonus level. Okay, bonus level. Start on the diamond block. Wait, what? Start on the diamond block. End on the diamond block. Wait, what? Where do I have to jump right now? Any secret chests or something? What am I meant to do? Confusing. Man. Wait, what? I can't jump. Oh wait, maybe I can jump. I think it's wanting to say end on the diamond block. I don't get this. Okay, now, I'm sure there's nothing to jump on, so we're gonna suck at this map. Oh! I got what we're meant to do. Okay, wait. It's actually trying to tell us something. Start on this diamond block. So what it's trying to say is we have to jump on any of those slime blocks, but this is like an illusion, so you think that's like right there, like on top of one of these slime blocks, but you have to jump on these slime blocks, go on that slime block, and then end on that diamond block, which will allow you to go all the way, right here, up there, and then jump in on that slime block into there. Okay, now I just have to do what I just said. Yes! Okay, I know this might count as cheating, but slash spawn, wait no, point, go. Okay, I just said that this place has a spawn point, so if I fall, I can just kill myself, which means I can, so I would basically just go like kill at sign A, which means all players, but now just have to go like this. Next, booyakasha. Where the flip am I? Okay, I can hear noise. Let me try again. Okay. /Q at sign. Wait, let me try at an E. Respawn. Yep. Okay, wait. Creative. See, guys, this is what I mean. Like, I only have a head as my character. Oh, let me just... No. Okay, let me just save and quit. That might help it a little bit. I'm just gonna... So, guys, I found what was wrong with this, because... You know how I told you guys, I had night vision to see inside of here? When I died, I lost that night vision, so I couldn't see around. So, and I dug out 2 blocks to see it might have been like a glitch, but I did refill that slime block and a lime concrete right there. But the problem was I didn't have night vision anymore. But right now, as you guys can see, this is going to be distracting. So I filled my thing with night vision potions, because like there's bubbles going everywhere. So that's kind of distracting. But I think I'll be able to deal with it. So let's just switch back to adventure mode. And then game mode A. And then, yep, we're in adventure mode. But whenever I run out, I'm gonna have to, you know what, I'm just gonna take it the way I'm meant to be. Like this. Okay, you know what, I skip it. Map complete. Boom. Yeah, I think I just completed the whole map. Wait, what is that? Oh, fireworks. But for some reason they're not working. Wait, what? I think I'm meant to press something. No, I'm stuck. Okay, you know what? Here, settings, creative. Just gonna go creative, and then put all of these stupid things away, and then, oh, sorry, you guys can't see that because, oh, it's so bad. I don't have things. Okay, head, giant head, cake. I got a cake. Okay, thanks for, oh wait, I think I meant to, oh, Derp Master. Thank you, Derp Master, for creating this map. So what it says, I am a foreigner YouTuber. I was reading that. I am a former YouTuber, I think, that teamed up with Derp Master to, I think it's meant to be build this map, and no wait, build this map. Hope you enjoyed, and make sure to give all the credit. Yes, so as I said, make sure you, more fireworks. Wait, I bet there's fireworks in this too. There's a lot of fireworks. So make sure you go and give a like button to Derp Master, because he was the one who created this map. So the second thing he said was, oh wait, here it says it, Mine Warden. So make sure you go ahead and like to Mine Warden as well. Make sure to subscribe too, because Mine Warden helped Derp Master MCPE to make this map possible. Okay, so the next thing he said is, no, but there's a, okay, this button. Oh wait, thanks for playing my map. Check out my other maps, still reading, and my friends alongside me. Thanks for playing Slime Blocks. Okay. Now there's someone else called Mr. Meep55. I'm a handsome Minecraft pocketeer who has multiple parkour maps. Search parkour old realm on MCPDL weird affection for turtles and won the 1v1v1v1 between Derp, Mind Warden and Bambi Slayer. I have no idea what that means. More cake! Ah. Oh wait, this isn't creative. You don't get the cake if you break it. Meh, don't want cake. Meh. Okay. Time to switch to adventure mode. Okay. Now, why do we need this diamond pickaxe? Dig out the cake. Put down the cake, man. Put down the cake, man. Okay. Slash game mode. I'm so sorry to keep changing my game mode, but that's just how it goes, man. No? Now it should work. Nope. Okay. Slash game mode, adventure mode, and then we're gonna use our diamond pickaxe. But no. We're meant to be in survival, obviously. Yeah. Survival. Okay. Now, I'm gonna get this cake. Don't think we do get it. I don't know what's meant to happen and what's going to happen. But I know those banners, that's such a good idea. Slime blocks, cool. But I know that somehow we have to make those activate. But don't know how. 3. No. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Game mode C. Did I really not see anymore? You've really got to be kidding me. Oh, I made it. Okay, can't see as well, but still. Come on, you stupid. No. Is there another button on this one? How do I activate these things? You know what? I'm gonna take this book out so I can escape. Okay, now. This has to be activated. Which is on a block. What is this command book? Oh wait, it says this thing. Okay. That. Found it. Just, I need these. Nope, these. And then drink it. Oh, yeah. Now I'm gonna put these two away. I'm gonna eat my cake. Whoops. Ah, frick. This is in survival mode. I mean, creative mode. Block. And block of quartz. Oh, this needs a lot of things, man. That there. That there. And then, hopefully this works. Game mode. C. I mean, A. Wait, what? Okay. Slash. Next. Finally! Nope, not touching that. Not touching it. Okay. Now, how am I meant to see the fireworks? Map completed. Enjoy the fireworks. Do you have to keep on going on it? Map complete. Oh, so I finished the map like this and didn't read the enjoy the fireworks. Or maybe that didn't work. I just like fireworks. Okay, so guys, make sure you go ahead, like, subscribe, hit that notification button so you get notified when I get more videos. Oh, it didn't fall off. When I get more videos so you can watch them. My next video will be on Auto Death Run by Gab the Crafter, and that's gonna be insane. Now, I'm trying to look for an escape parkour one, like a jailbreak one maybe, so that I can make a video on it, but I can't find any yet. But if you think I will find a jailbreak one, hit that like button and the subscribe button, including the notification button. But if you think not, well, you have to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button if I find a jailbreak one, which I will make a video on. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.